The third lesson plan is measuring and weighing the height of the resident. And specifically, you have a competency sheet in doing both of those things. Specifically, what I'm looking for here is accuracy and the critical thinking skill that all new admissions need to be weighed. And if I don't see a weight, it means it wasn't done and I need to get it done. We're all in this together. I have seen 3 IDRs, informal dispute resolutions, is another thing that I do part-time this year. All 3 of those were involving residents who came in with congestive heart failure, renal failure, diuretic medications that were not weighed upon admission and had massive weight gain of fluid that they weren't promptly treated for because the facility didn't realize the weight gain was going on, and they weren't transferred until they were very, very critical. And the same resident comes back to the facility and is not re-weighed upon or weighed upon admission, and then just a few weeks after she's had all of this massive gain of fluid, her medications have changed, all of a sudden she's lost 30 pounds and it's fluid, and now she's got an electrolyte imbalance and she's in serious shape, and the outcome was a death of the resident. So it's that important. Weighing someone and keeping track of their weights. When you notice that a resident is not eating correctly or not eating well, just know that before you even say anything to the charge nurse, what your obligation should be is to go and get a weight. Get a weight, compare it to the last one, and be prepared to tell the charge nurse what you found. Not only will that rise you in the eyes of the charge nurse because you use critical thinking to help solve a resident problem, but it's just the right thing to do to be a really good CNA.